You can call it a water war. The city of Detroit started shutting off water to thousands of people for lack of payment.
Yeah, pretty unbelievable, right? Now activist groups and experts from the United Nations are getting involved. Simon Shaquette is live downtown where the drama is unfolding. Simon.
Jeff and Joanne, we were the only station with cameras rolling today as angry Detroiters who've had their water shut off came face to face with the people responsible. It happened right over here at the water department during a public meeting.
I had heard on national news that they was going to classify Detroit as a third world country because people on water's being shut off and they weren't able to afford the payments.
One after another, Detroiters reaching a boiling point over water shutoffs. Shutoffs that impact many families living in homes with small children.
When they get up, they're going to wake up to not brushing their teeth, washing their face, or nothing like that.
Downtown, there's a showdown brewing. A combination of activists who've appealed to the United Nations and angry citizens who say their shutoffs are simply illegal. This doesn't say past due.
No, it doesn't. This is a current bill, and they said it was due on the 7th of July.
I'm with the Michigan Coalition for Human Rights, and we're standing here just in solidarity with people who have been having their water shut off. This can't stand. This is unconscionable. There can't be people without water here in Detroit.
Turns out a public meeting of the Water Board just so happened to be today. We decided to check it out for ourselves.
Every human being has the right to safe drinking water.
If people are being shut off from water because they can't pay, that's a violation of their basic human rights.
The United Nations agrees up to 3,000 shutoffs a week are alarming. Their experts say, quote, disconnection of water services because of failure to pay constitutes a violation of the human right to water and other international human rights. And when there is a genuine inability to pay, human rights simply forbids disconnections. So what does the water department have to say for itself? We tracked down the deputy director.
The average delinquent water bill in the city of Detroit is $560. We're not shutting folks' water bill off for as little as $100. This is not anything new. What the department has done is shed light on the problem and the delinquency problem associated with the city of Detroit.
That's little comfort for Jasmine Woodruff and her boyfriend. They can pay their tab as early as tomorrow, but that won't help them today.
We didn't resolve anything. I have to pay it tomorrow, basically.
Are they going to turn your water back on?
Yes, that's what they say once they get the money.
Congressman John Conyers is also among those critical today of the water department. We'll have to stay tuned and see how this all unfolds. Live downtown, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.